Good evening. My name is Tom Schrieber, and I am the visual arts teacher here at Dunedin Middle. I have been teaching here for 20 wonderful years. I teach all three grades, and our program includes in 2D and 3D drawing, painting, sculpture, ceramics, and much more. Classes also include a daily art history and appreciation bell work in a sketchbook that I handed out at the beginning of the year. Art materials are generously funded by the Pinellas County referendum. Thank you. But any donations of tissues, pencils, and such are appreciated. All classwork except the daily bell work is on Canvas, so students that are absent can follow along and submit work. Projects will be graded using the Pinellas County Visual Art rubric, plus time and effort spent will be considered. Best way to contact me is by email at schreibert@pcsb.org. In my class, we follow the rules set by Pinellas County and the expectations of Dunedin Highland Middle School. My major classroom rule is that no one disrespects or irritates anyone else, especially me. Thank you for sending me your artists. Thank you for your support. Have a great night.